If you thought the 6.8 Nisqually earthquake of 2001 was the big one, think again. A far larger magnitude 9 along the northwest coast is the quake that's the biggest concern. A place where the ocean floor is pushed under or subducted below the North American continent along a massive fault. And this is one of 50 supercomputer simulations created by the University of Washington and the U.S. Geological Survey, which shows how a Cascadia subduction zone earthquake would affect the western half of the state. But the simulations only show how the energy would be released. Now, geologists will need to build on this. How is this map likely to change?
Well, there would be much more details than what this is showing. So
Dave Norman is the state geologist. This 2007 map generally shows the standards for residential construction in Washington. Red zones require stronger buildings.
There'd be more details here in the Seattle area, certainly, as we've learned more, and this area out here along the coastline will also show more details.
What will happen now is using those simulations along with more detailed maps of the state's complex geology to figure out where shaking will be at a moderate level or even 10 times worse.
The computer simulations are wonderful for telling us all the different possibilities.
Karina Forson is the state's chief hazards geologist. But there's a lot of work to be done. The Washington Geological Survey, which is part of the Department of Natural Resources, is asking for more money from the legislature to do the groundwork to better understand the risks.
Where are our schools located? Where are critical facilities located? And what is their seismic hazard? So that we can make some more maps that really help us get down to that level of detail so that we can help hopefully save lives.
Because the Cascadia subduction zone is not the only hazard Washington faces. In Olympia, Glenn Farley, King 5 News.